Imagine a time when luxury didn't flash screens or beg for attention. It arrived silently, wrapped in chrome, confidence, and pure American elegance. Before supercars, before digital dashboards, there was a machine that defined success the moment it pulled up, and tonight, you're about to experience the 1966 Ford Thunderbird Town Landau like you've never seen it before. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel. Tonight, we're not just stepping back in time, we're gliding into it slow and deliberate, like the soft close of a vacuum, sealed door in a private club where history wears leather gloves. The year is 1966. America is at full confidence, and personal luxury is no longer whispered. It's announced with chrome, presence, and authority. In front of you sits the 1966 Ford Thunderbird Town Landau, a car that doesn't chase attention because attention naturally follows it. This isn't muscle, and it isn't economy. This is status translated into steel. The Town Landau was never built for everyone, and it never pretended to be. This was Ford's declaration that luxury didn't need European approval. It could be bold, dramatic, unmistakably American, and unapologetically indulgent long before the phrase personal luxury coupe became a marketing cliche. The Thunderbird defined it. Not borrowed, not inspired, defined. Look at the silhouette first. The long hood stretches forward with intention, not aggression. It doesn't rush, it arrives. The roofline flows into that unmistakable Town Landau vinyl top, formal yet sensual, framed by wide C-pillars that feel architectural rather than automotive. Those opera windows are more than glass. They're a signature, a quiet nod to exclusivity. This car doesn't scream, it converses in a low, confident tone. The Thunderbird's presence is cinematic even at a standstill. Every inch of chrome is deliberate. The front grille isn't merely a face, it's a statement of confidence. Wide and commanding, flanked by hidden headlights that disappear when not needed, like a tailored suit concealing its secrets. This was innovation wrapped in elegance. A car that understood mystery was part of luxury. And then there's the size. This is a big car, but it never feels clumsy. It feels composed, grounded, expensive. In 1966, size meant success. It meant you had arrived and you intended to stay. The Thunderbird didn't apologize for its proportions. It celebrated them. Now open the door, and the world outside fades instantly. The sound is solid, reassuring, like closing the door to a penthouse overlooking a city you already own. Inside, the Town Landau becomes something else entirely. This is where Ford truly flexed its design muscle. The cockpit-style interior wraps around the driver, creating a sense of command without intimidation. You don't feel small in this car, you feel important. The seats are wide, deeply padded, designed for long evenings and longer conversations. The materials speak softly but clearly. Vinyl, chrome, textured panels, all arranged with symmetry and intention. The steering wheel is thin, elegant, almost jewelry like by today's standards, and behind it sits a horizontal speedometer that feels futuristic even now. This wasn't just transportation, this was an experience. Every control is exactly where it should be. Every surface invites touch. And when the lights dim and the dashboard glows, the Thunderbird transforms into something intimate, something personal. This is a car built for night drives, for city lights reflecting off polished chrome, for the kind of journeys that don't require a destination. Under that long hood rests a 390 cubic inch V8, smooth, confident, and effortlessly powerful. This engine wasn't built to intimidate, it was built to glide. Power delivery is seamless, refined, and dignified. Paired with an automatic transmission that shifts like silk, the Thunderbird doesn't demand your attention. It rewards it. You don't drive this car aggressively. You don't need to. The Thunderbird moves with authority, not urgency. It floats over the road, absorbing imperfections, isolating you from chaos. In a world that was rapidly changing, this car offered stability, comfort, and control. And that's what made the Town Landau special. It wasn't just luxurious, it was reassuring. It told its owner that they had made it, that they could slow down, that the world would wait. This was a car for executives, creatives, visionaries, people who didn't need to prove themselves anymore. The rear seats aren't an afterthought either. They're a continuation of the experience, offering space and comfort that feel intentional. This wasn't about cramming passengers in. This was about extending the luxury. Everyone inside the Thunderbird mattered. The exterior details deserve another moment of appreciation. The sculpted rear quarter panels, the sequential taillights that ripple across the back like a signature flourish, the subtle Thunderbird badging that never overstates itself. This car knew restraint, and that restraint is what makes it powerful. In 1966, the Town Landau sat at the intersection of innovation and indulgence. It was advanced without being cold, luxurious without being fragile. It represented a moment when American automotive design believed in optimism, in craftsmanship, in the idea that the future could be elegant. Today, seeing a 1966 Ford Thunderbird Town Landau is like spotting a tailored suit in a room full of streetwear. It stands apart not because it tries to, but because it was never designed to blend in. This car carries itself with dignity, with history, with presence. This is not a car you rush past. It's a car you walk around slowly. A car you admire from every angle. A car you imagine yourself in, one hand on the wheel, the other resting comfortably, the road stretching endlessly ahead. The Town Landau doesn't chase trends. It outlived them. Its influence can be felt in every luxury coupe that followed, in every attempt to combine performance with comfort, style with substance. Few succeeded the way the Thunderbird. Owning one today isn't just about nostalgia, it's about taste. It's about understanding what luxury meant when it was measured in feel rather than screens, in craftsmanship rather than software updates. It's about appreciating a time when cars were designed to make you feel something, and that's the magic of the 1966 Ford Thunderbird Town Landau. It doesn't beg for attention. It commands respect. It doesn't rush. It glides. It doesn't shout. It whispers confidence. So as you take one last look at this rolling piece of American luxury, remember this isn't just a classic car. It's a statement, a reminder that elegance never goes out of style, that comfort can be powerful, and that true luxury is timeless. If this kind of presence, history, and cinematic automotive storytelling speaks to you, make sure you stay connected, because there are more icons like this waiting to be experienced, admired, and remembered.